Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling. Finally, we made it to the end of these 11 weeks. That's correct. I know we've been through some pain and some troubles and trying to figure everything out, but y'all have done great to fight through it, really done some awesome things, and really found out some ways of what not to do, but also of how to really take those things you did learn and apply them appropriately. So, great things all around. I know it's a tough course because pretty much we throw about six things at you that should have their own individual class. But I think all of y'all did pretty well and made the changes necessary for the right projects and really did a great job on that. So I finished your grades for the rest of the week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Do keep in mind that your final assignments are due tonight. If you do need some extra time, I won't be turning in assignments or grades until Sunday night. If you do run into any more issues, please contact me immediately so we can talk and discuss about where to go from here, any next steps specifically. But just to give a heads up, I know the skins on a lot of the models had some issues, and we troubleshooted through a few of them. I know most of the students got through them pretty well. I know there's a few that still have some issues. If you cannot get the model skin to the rig, that's okay. Just try and get the rig moving for the animation so you can at least get your keyframe assignments in. That's fine. I'll have you just animate the rig, and that's okay from there. And we'll just cut our losses from the model not being skinned appropriate, because sometimes there's some models that break with vertices and it can get a little tough sometimes. So I get it. It's just a learning process. It's tough to learn all this in just like one go. So, but y'all did amazing. I thought when there was times where we would run into issues, y'all would find your own paths eventually and really find your own things. So well done on that. And really starting to learn research in different ways, because every project, I think, is the big thing that you learn is completely different on how the models are structured and everything. So like one will have one problem while the other project will have other problems. And I think y'all's flexibility has done very well with that. So well done. So just to give a heads up, your discussions and assignments, the last animations, the finish up parts should be due today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you can't get the skin modeled onto the rig, it's okay. Just animate the rig. I'm all right with that. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns about about any assignments or anything, please message me tonight. I will be a little bit busy tonight, but I should get back to everybody in the morning right off the bat on Saturday. But I'll try and be as available as I can tonight as much as possible. However, but that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, if you need me immediately, you have my cell phone, so just go ahead and use that for this weekend. But do keep in mind that I'm going to be turning in grades on Sunday. So all your assignments need to be in by Friday. If there's any missing assignments by Saturday night, they will be zeros, just to give you a heads up. So just please make sure to have anything missing turned in. I'll forgive the late points and everything. I'll go from there. But contact me immediately if you're missing something or you're concerned about not finishing anything, or if you have any questions so we can solve that problem. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys, for putting up with everything. And I know this was a tough course, but I think y'all did a very good job. The next course just focused specifically on animation, so that should be a little bit more specific of a class. Other than that, that's all I got. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Y'all did great. Thanks for putting in the effort and really learning some great concepts. And that's pretty much it. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Good luck with everything. And hopefully I'll see you for my animation capstone class later down the road, which is mostly demo reels, but it's more up what I kind of look at a lot of times too. But that's pretty much it. Have a great week. Enjoy. Thanks for being amazing as always. Y'all were awesome. And if you need me, you always have my email and my contact information. Anyway, enjoy, my friends. Be safe. Have fun.